Excuse me, officer. Can I ask you a question?
How you doing, sir?
Good, good.
How can I help you?
In New York City, Manhattan, are you allowed to carry pepper spray, mace?
New York City, Manhattan, are you
If they
allowed
sell
to
it, I
carry?
would say
I
yes.
think they only sell it in Jersey. I think you can buy it here.
Yeah, you can buy it.
You can buy it?
Oh, yeah.
So you,
Pepper spray with
are you not too sure about that one?
No, I'll be honest with you. I'm not too sure. You know the answer?
tasers.
I don't know. No, I'm asking you.
No, I'm not.
I ask
I
a lot
know.
of like legal questions and
Yeah.
questions for like tourists, and
Right.
I'm trying to do like a 101 for what you can and cannot do.
Mace, I'm not too sure. I'm pretty sure you can look it up real quick, but I haven't seen that. I don't see them sell mace out here. I don't think.
Oh, they got these.
What about like dog spray or animal spray, bear spray? It's a deterrent.
You might be able to. You go hiking or something, take some bear spray or something.
Yeah, but you're not sure as a matter of fact. Okay.
You want me to look it up? Yeah, I can probably find it.
No, that's fine. That's fine. I'm sure we can look it up. In regards to drinking in public, is that against the law in New York City?
Open containers, you can't drink out here.
What happens if you caught drinking open container out here?
Yeah, we'll approach you. We'll let you know. But hey, listen, it's a summonable offense. That's really all it is.
Do you get like a ticket, a fine?
Yeah, it's an open summons. I don't think it's much. I think it's only like $25 for an open container and stuff.
Okay. Do you have to go to court?
If you pay, if you plead guilty, no.
If you pay it and
You
plead
can
guilty?
You can mail it, no problem.
All right. Now, what about smoking marijuana in public?
That's legal now. You're allowed to.
So you're allowed
Only thing
to?
you're not allowed to do, you can't sell. Any amount you're not allowed to sell it on.
But now they're pretty much, as an observer, it seems like people are selling on almost every
That's the thing,
corner.
If we see them, we get them right away.
Now, do they get a ticket? That's a question. So what happens if you sell marijuana illegally on the streets? What happens?
You definitely, it's definitely a submissible offense, but depending on how much you have to it, could be an arrest also. Depending on how much you
Really?
have to it. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a large amount though.
Do you confiscate the marijuana?
Yes, but it's perishable, so they just get rid of it.
Okay,
Yeah, that's
and
something
so it's not like you're smoking in the precinct.
No.
I'm not saying you smoke, but you understand what I'm saying.
No,
It's
we
destroyed
get
or
drug
thrown.
tested all the time. We're not allowed
Yeah.
to.
Oh, you got.
No, we're not allowed to.
Oh, that's another question.
yeah.
As a New York City police officer, thank you for your service. Are you allowed to smoke marijuana? What about what they call medical marijuana?
I'll be honest, I don't think any kind. That's a good question. I don't know if you have to get a prescription from a doctor if you're allowed to. From my understanding, we're not allowed any. But that's interesting. I haven't thought about that.
Are you drug tested?
We get drug tested often, yeah.
Often?
Yeah.
Is it random at times? Really? Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Now the bulletproof vest, you're required to wear that at all times, right?
If you're out here, for sure. Definitely.
Yes, for sure,
If you
right?
have like an admin position where you're inside, you'd be fine without it. But if you're outside on the street, you have to have it.
Now another officer told me, I didn't ask him, he actually bought additional plates. He bought for more protection.
And they definitely have slots where you can insert more.
Yeah,
I
but that's
haven't
heavy,
done
right?
it. Yeah, it makes it heavy.
Yeah.
But hey, listen, if you have the means for it, why not?
Approximately how heavy is the vest?
15 pounds, I want to say.
15 pounds, so you're pretty geared up.
Yeah. Plus the belt weighs a little bit too. So
Yeah. I know this might seem kind of ridiculous, but in regards to like go in the bathroom, is it kind of difficult?
I'll be honest, here it's awesome. A lot of people let us use their restrooms,
Uh-huh.
like the stores, and they take care of us in that sense.
So that's not too
yeah,
difficult.
I mean, listen, if you ask them nicely, they tend to say it.
Yeah. And you normally do like an 8-hour shift?
Right now I'm doing a double.
You're doing a double?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, typically it'll be 8 hours, but sometimes when you're short you get held and stuff. So.
And you're kind of like assigned to, right now, obviously, you keep an eye on traffic, keep an eye on the civilians.
Yeah, so every day you get a different post, but you have particular things you have to do within your post.
Right. All right.
Yeah.
Is there anything else maybe you could share to kind of educate the people in regards to?
Just always be safe.
Just be safe.
Be mindful of your surroundings, and still enjoy it. Don't be afraid to come out here and enjoy the city. Still a good time.
Now, you guys are allowed to take photos with tourists,
Yes, so long as it's not like
impeding your service?
exactly.
Okay.
Like, we're busy doing a job. Like I understand tourists want to take pictures, but
So it's okay to say no, it's okay to say
Yeah,
yes.
of course.
All right. In regards to a police line, do you know how far away a civilian has to be if they're not impeding you or hindering you?
You mean like if we're dealing with a situation?
Yes, like just say someone's arrested right here, right now.
I don't know if there's an exact distance, but it's just reasonable, because Times Square is packed. It's not like we're going to have 15 feet radius. It's impossible.
Right.
So it's reasonable. So
So it's reasonable.
If we're dealing with something over here, if we can keep like an arm's distance length, and mainly it's just for everyone's safety too. Like if we're dealing with something we don't want it, there could
Exactly.
be evidence getting. There's a lot of things when it comes to those situations, but it's different with each one.
Right. All right. Thank you so much for your
Thank you. Have a
service.
good night, okay?
I want to leave that dialogue open. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.